Bank reconciliation. Bank reconciliation is the critical accounting process of comparing a company's internal financial records, general ledger, against the records provided by the bank. This process validates the accuracy of the cash balance and explains any discrepancies between the two sets of books. Strategic objectives. The primary purpose of performing regular bank reconciliations is to maintain financial integrity through accuracy of financial statements. Validating cash and bank accounts ensure that the balances reported on the balance sheet are verified and accurate. Fraud mitigation. Regular reviews help identify unauthorized transactions, suspicious activity, or potential theft by employees or external parties early. Error identification. IT allows for the detection of manual accounting errors, such as duplicate entries or incorrect amounts posted to the ledger. Operational efficiency. This practice assists in cash flow management and helps spot inefficiencies in the payment or collection cycle. The reconciliation process cycle. The workflow follows a systematic path to ensure all items are accounted for. 1. Data acquisition. Upload the bank statement and the corresponding bank ledger for the period. 2. Clearing. Automatic clearing. High volume matching performing by the system. Manual clearing. Resolving items that the system cannot automatically pair. 3. Analyzing. Review and summarize the data to identify unreconciled items. 4. Resolution. Match unreconciled items by identifying their sources. Ourses. 5. Finalization. Transfer and post necessary adjustments to the general ledger to complete the cycle. Common discrepancies. Discrepancies typically falls into two categories: timing differences, which resolve themselves over time, and permanent differences, which requires ledger adjustments. Discrepancies types. Description. Outstanding checks. Checks issued by the company but not yet presented to or cleared by the bank. Deposits in transit. Deposits made the company but not yet credited to the bank account. Bank charges, interest, service fees, penalties or interest earned that appear on the statement but are not yet in the ledger. Accounting errors. Human errors, such as transposing numbers or duplicate postings in the internal books. Step-by-step execution guide. To complete the reconciliation successfully, follow these steps. 1. Download both the bank statement and bank ledger for the specific period. 2. Enter the closing balance as per the internal books of accounts. 3. Cross-reference all checks issued that have successfully credited by the bank. 4. Verify all deposits made that have been successfully credited by the bank. 5. Record all bank-initiated transactions, interest, fees, penalties, etc., into the ledger. 6. Enter the ending balance as per the bank statement. 7. If the adjusted balances match, the reconciliation process is considered complete.